Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from FabFitFun, and this is their winter box for 2018. So excited. One of my favorite subscription boxes, just because it comes with so many goodies. So right on top, they always give us a magazine of sorts that kind of goes through all the products. Sometimes there's recipes, tips for some of the products in here, all sorts of good stuff. And it's pretty thick, so I'm going to set that aside. Coupon on top from HelloFresh. Share the love, $10 off your first order. Oh, your first FabFitFun box. Actually, I have a promo code, I think that's $15 off your first FabFitFun, so I will link that below in case you're interested. I have a playlist too if you want to see past boxes. So excited. Okay, so you do get to customize some of your options if you do sign up for a yearly subscription. So I think this is one of them that I got to pick. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. So this is by Bear Paw, and these are the little fingerless gloves, and it has a little flap. Those are my favorite kind to wear. And then this is like a little headband, and it goes over your ears. So I think that's super cute. So I'm excited for that. Also have coconut sugar, Merci Beauty, Sea Whip body cream. I bet that smells really good. Of course, it's sealed. Let's take a sniff. Yeah, that has a nice scent, so I'm excited for that. Also have a hydration cream mask. Cool. It says to put it on, you can rinse it off after 3 to 5 minutes or leave it on all night. Also have from Thrive a highlighting stick. Typically don't use highlighting products, but it's a nice item to have. I might try that. Or re-gift it. Oh, these are eye masks. So I heard about this. I think these are like the gold looking ones. That's pretty cool. And I feel like these are expensive too. So that's cool. These are over the knee socks. I'm pretty sure I picked these too to wear with tall boots. And I did like the grayish black, which I love. Oh, and I remember this too. This is a little jewelry binder to keep them in. I'm pretty sure this was another customizable thing. It's a little padded portfolio, I guess you would call it. And you could put your necklaces in it. It's all velvety inside, with little pouches and snaps. Put earrings in, rings, all sorts of stuff. Really good if you travel. Ooh, I think I picked this too. Unless I'm just like, I feel like I didn't customize that many things, but maybe I did. So these are from Burke. You put them on the ground, and you put your feet on them, and they kind of slide around. I wish they showed a picture of them using it. Let me open this. So unfortunately, it doesn't have a picture, but there's two of them, and they slide real good on the floor and carpet, so you can do all sorts of different exercises with them. So I have that. I love that color, too. Now this, I don't remember, I watched one other unboxing. I don't remember if this is a blanket or a scarf. Let's see if it says. Doesn't say. I think it's a blanket. It's way too big, I think, to be a scarf, but it's very soft. Love that. So that was everything that came in the box, and they have like little articles like this to show you how to wear the little head wrap. There's the eye masks up there. They have all sorts of stuff. Oh, maybe, yeah. So right here, she's using one of those little exercise things. I believe I watched like a short video on it, and I thought it would look pretty cool. Here's the jewelry, and there's the blanket. Some people got essential oils. Very cool. Yeah, and the jade roller. I think that was one of the items I could have got, but I didn't think I would use that. So, very cool. That's what I got. If you guys are interested, like I said, I have that promo code below. I believe it saves you $15 off your first box. So I will have all that information in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.